good morning. I am Dr. Hira Rajwani, an Associate Professor of Noble Group of Institutions, Junagadh. I am going to teach you present continuous tense. Before this, we have understood about simple present tense. Now today, I am going to teach you present continuous. So students, shall we start? Okay, let's see today what we are going to study in this present continuous tense. So first we will understand the concept of present continuous tense, then we will have examples, usage, identification marks, and then in the end we will study about the exercise. Those exercises you have to try to solve, right? So shall we begin? Okay. Let's begin with the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used when we are going to talk about the activity which is going on. So first let us see the structure of it. In affirmative sentences, we have the structure like is, am, are plus verb plus ing. For example, I am going, we are going, you are going, she is going. So she is going, he is going. It is in the third person singular. Now in the negative and interrogative sentences, we can see the structure is, am, are plus not plus verb plus ing. So shall we see the examples? Yes. Now negative sentences, I am not going, we are not going, she is not going. But in the interrogative sentences, we will use first the forms of to be, that is am, is, are. So let's see the example. Am I going? Is he going? Is he going? Right? So this is the pattern of interrogative sentence. So students, this is the structure of present continuous tense. Let us see the usage of present continuous tense. Usage means we use the present continuous tense. When do we use the present continuous tense? Various usages are there. In which situations we are using the present continuous tense? Usage number 1 is present continuous tense is used when an action which is in progress at the time of speaking, right? So we can see the example, shh, don't make a noise, mother is sleeping. Here mother is right now sleeping, so don't make a noise. At that time we use present continuous tense. So the example is shh, don't make a noise, mother is sleeping. You can switch off TV. You can switch off the TV. I am not watching it. Next, it's raining outside. Bring your umbrella with you. Where are the children? They are playing in the garden. So this is, in all these examples we can see that action is in the progress at the time of speaking. Now number 2 is present continuous tense is used to talk about an action which has started and is in progress but has not ended at the time of speaking. At the moment of speaking, that is not ended but it is in the progress. For example, I am looking for a job at the moment. At the moment means not right now, but these days I am looking for a job. If I get a good job, so that I can have it. So I am looking for a job at the moment. Next, stock market is changing rapidly these days. So these days means nowadays, today and yesterday, tomorrow. So these are some of the days where stock market is changing so fast, so rapidly. Usage number 3 is the present continuous tense is used to talk about future which is already planned. So examples are, what are you doing on Sunday evening? I am going to watch a movie. So what are you doing on Sunday evening? I am going to watch a movie. Next sentence is, I am meeting my father tomorrow. We are going to the beach at the weekend. I am leaving at 3. So in these examples we can see that it is talked about the future which is already planned. We have planned, right? It is not now, but it is in the future. So what are you doing on Sunday evening means coming Sunday, when you have planned something. So what about the Sunday evening that is asked? At this moment we can say that I am going to watch a movie. So I am going to watch a movie. It is not right now, but on Sunday evening. I am meeting my father tomorrow. For that action, that is future, but we have planned today. Right now we have planned. So in these examples we can see that present continuous tense is used. Usage number 4 is present continuous tense is used to talk about habits that are not regular but that happen very often, right? So some of the habits they are talked about, but they are not regular, but that happen very often. Frequently they are happening. You are forever losing your keys. It is not every day, but sometimes it happens. They are not regular, but they are, sometimes it happens very often. Sometimes we are losing the keys, right? So you are forever losing your keys. You have lost the keys. Now you forever the keys are lost. For that we are using present continuous. In this example it is said that you are forever you are losing your keys. Next, she is constantly missing the train. She is constantly missing the train. Frequently, constantly means every time she is missing the train. Next is Lucy is always smiling. Lucy is always smiling. She is always smiling, right? That happens very often. Sometimes it happens, but here in Lucy's case, she is regular. Her habit is to smile. So this is the usage number 4. Let us see which are the identification marks of present continuous tense. For present continuous tense, we can identify from these words. If in any of the sentence these words are given, we can immediately identify that this is the sentence of present continuous tense. That is now, nowadays, at present, at the moment, these days, and just now. So in every sentence, one of these words will be there. So you can find out any of the one word and in the sentences. Exercise. Let's begin with the exercise. So these are some of the sentences. Fill in the blanks using proper form of the verbs given in the bracket. What is Reema doing at the moment? She dash in the kitchen. Next is Ketan dash English language nowadays. Third, we dash the exercise at the moment. Next, what's up? What's up? I dash with a bank nowadays. Have you done it? No, I dash it right now. So these are some of the blanks that you have to fill. So I am giving you a little bit time so that you can finish the exercise. Okay, I hope you might have done it. Shall we check our answers? Okay. Now these are some of the sentence answers in these sentences. What is Reema doing at the moment? She is cooking in the kitchen. Ketan is learning English language nowadays. We are doing the exercise at the moment. What's up? I am working with a bank nowadays. I am working with a bank nowadays. Have you done it? No, I am doing it right now. I am doing it right now. So these are some of the exercise, some of the sentences of exercise. Students, I hope you have understood this. If you have any query or doubt, you can write in the chat box, and if you like the video, you can press the like button, you can share it, and you can write some of the reviews regarding this. At the end, I would like to conclude that the action that is going on at the time of speaking, for that we are using present continuous tense. We use it to talk about habits that are not regular but that happen very often, to talk about an action which has started and is in progress but has not ended at the moment of speaking. And some of the identification marks of this tense is now, nowadays, at present, at the moment, these days, just now. So students, I hope you have liked it. Okay, if you have liked the video, then press the like button, share it with your friends, dears and nears. Thank you. Again, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.